Hi, let's prepare to Python job interview. Today we will answer the set of questions by pythonru.com. To start with, don't use the information below as an excuse to be unkind to anyone, whether new users or experienced Python programmers. First question, key features of Python. The Python code is read and executed by interpreter. Python is a dynamically typed language. Python supports various programming paradigms like structured programming, functional programming. However, the most important approach is object-oriented. What is Python path? Python path is an environment variable that provides guidance to the Python interpreter about where to find modules. Memory management in Python. The memory is divided by stack memory and heap memory. The function calls and the reference are stored in the stack memory. The value objects are stored in the heap memory. Difference between module and package in Python. A module is a single file containing Python code. A package is a collection of modules. What is the Python Global Interpreter Log, GIL? GIL is a mutex that allows only one thread to hold the control of the Python interpreter. Built-in Python data types. Every Python object has three characteristics: value, identity, type. Mutable object is an object that allows you to change its value without changing its identity. In contrast, immutable object doesn't allow changes on its value. Single item data types, such as integer, float, bool, are always immutable. When it comes to collection or container types, things are a bit different. List, dictionary, set are mutable. String, tuple are immutable. What does %s mean? %s is a placeholder that can be used in a format string to insert any type of object that can be converted to a string. How to change data type of a list? Change list to tuple, use function tuple. Change list to set, use function set. List to dictionary, function dict. List to string, function join. Lambda function. Lambda function is a small anonymous function, can take any number of arguments, but can only have one expression. Decorators in Python. Decorator is a function returning another function, usually applied as a function transformation using wrapper syntax. Common examples of decorators are class method and static method. Difference between iterator and generator. Iterator is an object that has next and iter methods. Implementation detail: see Python not always obligated an iterator to define iter. Generator is a way of creating iterators. First way, generator function looks like a normal function but contains yield expressions. And generator expression looks like a list comprehension, uses the parentheses instead of square brackets. What is range function? Range function has arguments start value, stop value, and step value. It can be looped over like any other iterable, but range is not an iterator because we cannot call next on a range function. Help and dir functions. Help display module, class, or other documentation. Dir output objects, attributes, and methods. Does Python have main function? Yes, it does. Python has no explicit main function. main defines the execution point, and main method can be written with the use of if name equals main condition. What is namespace? A namespace is a collection of names and corresponding object references. Namespaces are built-in, as available when Python is running. Global, defined at the level of main program. Enclosing, defined at the level of enclosing function. And local, defined at the level of enclosed function. Pickling and unpickling in Python. Pickling and unpickling used to serialize and deserialize an object. Pickling an object is converted into a byte stream. Unpickling is the inverse operation. Self in Python. Self is a reference to the current instance of the class. Self is used to access variables that belong to the class. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.